ito naman siya. Ayan. Cute! Ayan naman ang kinalabasan nito. So, iba naman siya kasi ito makulay. Based on yung mga laman niya. Ito naman hindi. Okay.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
Has only Minnie and Mickey, this, and then they're around the tree. This one has Minnie, Mickey, and Goofy, and they're under a lamppost.
Okay, let's try this one, Dexy. Okay, Dexy, can you help your sister? These are all Disney, right? Disney. Like this, okay. Okay. I think you have to grab that one. Or else like that nyo muna.
Wait for
Okay.
wait for the
Okay, there na.
Okay, later. No, Dexa.
Dexa, don't remove it na, bebe. Careful. There you are. Oh! Nag-light na. Ayan. This one? Where? Okay. Okay, open. There! It's so cute. Ito siya, oh. Ayan. So, sa loob. Yan. Nice.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday in real life.
Oh.
My birthday in I right? I own right?
Yes. Okay. Where do you like to put that? Don't know?
I know.
Where? Hindi pwede yan, Dexa. Ayan. So, in-unbox nila to. Hold. So, this is a Disney. Yeah, Disney Holiday Lantern. Yeah. Disney Holiday Lantern siya. So, sa loob niya, may iba-ibang ganito. Pero ito, yung nakuha namin, ito siya. Okay, so let's unbox the other one, guys.
That was cute. Minnie Mouse and Mickey.
Yeah. So, where do you want to put that one, Dexy?
I want to do that thing.
Okay.
I think that one should go.
Okay, go. Careful, Dexa. You will have paper cut again, okay? So, yan. Ito yung hindi pa talaga na-unbox kasi kanina in-unbox na nila kasi tinignan nila yung item. So, help again. Okay. So, I think this one doesn't have any battery with it. Right, Dexy?
Plastic on it.
Yeah.
That's all.
Okay, so ganito siya. So, ito, ibang version naman. Your hand, paper cut. You want paper cut again, your hand?
You're gonna cut yourself. You've already
Okay.
gotten a paper cut.
Yeah. You know how it is, right?
Wait,
So,
nah.
Awi. Can you go to the side, Dexa? Can you go to the side? Don't remove the tape, baby. There. Okay? So, yan. On the side. Okay. Okay, I think this one, Dexa, doesn't go with, the, what do you call this one? The battery, right? Okay. So, while Dexa is opening that one, the plastic. So, ito naman ang kanyang laman. Oh. Careful, Dexa. Open. No, you have to pull that one. You have to pull it. Dexa, no. You have to pull it. You have to pull like this. Okay? Okay. So, ito naman ang laman niya. Dexa, I think wala pa siyang battery, anak. Ate will put some battery pa.
Pakita mo yung sa atin.
So, ito siya. Ayan siya. So, ito naman ngayon ang nasa loob niya.
3 AA batteries.
Oh, 3 AA batteries daw ang... So, ayan. Tapos na kami. So, ito yun. So, dalawa sila. Okay na, anak ko. Bakit yung box niya? hindi. Yung ano mo lang kako. Okay, sorry. So, ito siya. Ang cute. Ayan siya. Okay. So, ayan. Next na yung unbox namin to. Okay. So, ito naman ang i-unbox nila. It lighted glittered trees naman siya. So, I think this one is battery pa din? Yeah, my goodness. Battery pa din. So, lahat battery operated. Oh my God. Kulang pa naman ang battery natin. So, ayan. Ito, yung... Hey! Instruction yan! Okay. So, tingnan mo nga kung battery siya, anak. Sana hindi.
3AA.
Aww, so sad. Lahat na lang battery. Same with this one, Dexa. Let ate do that. Same with this one. Kaya ganyan na lang natin dito.
6 AA.
Oh, 6? Oh my God.
No, 3 for each.
3 for each. Okay. So, ito, ano lang natin to ganyan. Kasi nakakasagabal. Ito din battery operated din siya.
3 AAA.
AAA naman daw.
We have one more thing that has battery.
Okay.
And
I think that one is battery too.
this one has
Yeah, I know.
everything
All na lang is battery. Yeah, I know. Hindi magandang pangitain. Careful. Dexa, careful. Mahulog yan, baby. Don't touch anything, bebe.
Next stop is this.
Yeah, okay. We will put that one in the stairs. Sa stairs natin yan ilalagay. Okay. Dexa, can you please see this one first, Dexa?
Next stop.
Help ate, help ate. Come on. Okay, let's see. Dexa, open. Open that one. Open this one. Ate already do. Oh, wow. Careful. Careful. Careful, Dexa.
There's water in it.
Don't hold it on the top, Dexa.
Water in it.
Oh, ito naman is, oh,
Kind of water.
yung parang binili namin, yung parang binili natin, Dexy, siguro.
What the other one though as a best.
Yeah, I know. But that one is a Christmas one, right? Christmas theme siya. Yung iba, yung isa naman candle holder naman siya. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
I mean, it matches the best bathroom beyond.
Okay. But that one maybe is colorful siya, bebe. Glittery, I mean. Dexa, don't hold it on the top, baby. Masira mo. Don't do that. Don't do that, Dexy. It means you did not put it properly, kaya hindi siya nag... Okay?
Side please,
Hmm?
it's fine. I'll go grab some batteries.
Okay. Ate will grab some battery. Okay. Naman siya. Ayan. Cute. Ayan naman ang kinalabasan nito. So, iba naman siya kasi ito makulay. Based on yung mga laman niya. Ito naman hindi. Yeah. Okay. Ito makulay yung isa. Okay, time for the Santa. Okay. I don't like any paper cut, Dexa, okay? Okay, next. Wow. So, we're unboxing this Santa. Okay.
Yeah, I can do it.
Santa, ano siya, Dexy? Noel. Santa Noel, sabi niya?
That's that's in a different language.
Ay, ano din ang English niya?
Santa. Santa.
Santa lang?
So,
Santa Noel.
well.
Okay. Okay, go. Okay, put it up, Lexi. Up, 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 up. Tiri! Grabe ang reaction. Ang reaction ni Dex ang nakakatuwa. Ang tuwa siya. Dex says, put it here na. Oh, Dexa, wag mong masira siya. Dexy, come on. Oh, put it here, please. Put it here. Okay, thank you, guys. Oh, binitawan mo na yan. Okay, oh, up.
Nexa, no, that's not the thing.
Okay. Oh, ang cute niya. Okay. Okay, let's see. This one siya, oh. Wow, it's nice. Oh, where we will put that one? In the stairs. We will go to the stairs. Okay.
I'm gonna keep on smiling.
Okay. Nakakatayo ba siya na maayos? Okay.
Yeah, carpet, that's the reason.
Okay.
She doesn't want me to help her.
Okay. Dexa! Let Ate help you, please. Okay. Okay, the other one. Oh my God, I'm so excited with that. Don't remove first that one, Dexa, so that Ate can... Okay. Okay. Oop. Nagkakanta-kanta pa siya. Oh my God. Oh. Careful. Makatanggal niyo mo ang ulo niya. That's so cute. That's so cute. Oh, we have a teddy bear. Careful, baby. Ate, careful. Okay. Okay, put it here, ate. Careful, anak. Kung matanggal mo yung... No, Dexa. No. Not that one, Dexa. May ano siya yan. Tape.
No.
Okay. There. Okay.
You know, one of these days, Nexa, you're gonna need to watch Home Alone.
Santa Noel.
Why?
Ayan.
Because it's like an iconic Christmas.
Okay. Let's put it here, guys. Okay. Careful with that. Oh, mayroon siyang gift. Ano? Bag, Dexa.
I don't think one has your
Okay.
remote. Why? The top one has my name on it.
Wow, so cute. Okay, nice.
Okay, put it away.
They have something in there?
I dipped on the pot of gold.
Okay. Okay. So, ito naman, hindi na siya battery. So, yung dalawa na binuksan nila kanina, wala namang battery ata ito eh. Itong ganito. Hindi siya naka-battery. Pero ito, naka-sasaksak na to.
Are you ready?
Okay.